Yo, what's up guys, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna install my new taillights, which is the 2017 plus taillights. I've always wanted them because when they look so clean. I'm not really much into the aftermarket taillight, headlight and taillights. I prefer the OEM or the OEM Plus. The reason why I didn't went with Velenti's because everyone has it. I mean, at one point, like when I was like 16, 17, when I see people with Velenti's, it just looked very clean. Not gonna lie. For me, it's not really my taste, and I landed a decent deal with these. So I was able to get these for like $200. If I were to get aftermarket taillights, I would have gone Tom's Racing, but couldn't find one. With this installation, I'm pretty sure this is plug and play. So right now, I'm gonna go install it right now and see how it goes. First thing first, you got already started it, but you gotta pry this out and this out so that you have able to access space through here. From the video when I first got the car, I installed these both these taillights. So this one ended up leaking water. One more thing, you gotta pull this harness out. What the fuck was that? Everything should pop out just like that. So let's take this garbage out. Put the new ones in. Let's put the new ones in and see test how it goes. Plug in the harness first and see if everything works. Garbage, not so garbage, was wrapped right here, so you can see like the air bubbles and stuff. Personally, I don't like it. I like it how the way it was, so eventually I'll take this all off. So all right, let me do this other side real quick. So yeah, I finished setting up the taillights. So the whole installation is completely plug and play. It's very easy and anyone can do it. It'll probably take like 30 minutes for noobs to do it, but like it only took me like 10 minutes to install it. I could have gone faster, but trying to make some video, you know? Trying to get in the habit again of making videos because it's really been a while since I vlogged. Jeez, I need to go back to the gym. God. So my coils finally came in. I actually ordered this last Thursday, and now it's Monday. All right, let's go open it up. Look at this. Oh my god. These things look pretty. Movers right here. This is the front, I'm pretty sure. Is this the rear? Yeah, and this is the rear. And also with heifers and BRZs, come with adjustable endings. And the spanner wrench is like all the way down here. You see it right there. Right here. On the next video, hopefully I'm able to install these. I'm trying to install these as soon as possible, but lately I've been just busy with school and work. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. Till then, peace out.